Man, if you could get one of these, you need to try and find it, dude. We found these at a head shop not too far from here, but check it out. This comes apart. This comes out. You could clean the thing. But the sharp thing about this is you take a cotton ball, right? Fluff it up a little. You put it down in here, right? See the cotton ball in there. And then you put this back on here. And now you got a filter, all right? Meredith and I just figured that out yesterday. I was like, man, it comes apart, and then we're like, oh, cotton ball. We put that shit in there, and it is a game changer, dude. We are not coughing nearly as much. What was that, 15 bucks? It was $15.
Yeah.
So you can find one of those, dude.